In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the date and the author name under article cards on blog pages in Shopify Dawn theme. And for this example, I changed the color of both elements to red. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case is Dawn, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top click on drop-down menu, then select Blogs, Default Blog. On the left side of the screen under Template, click on Blog Posts, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS already here, but first let me go back to my website and get the class selected for the date and the author name. Let me right-click on the element, then select Inspect, and the class selector will target as this one, article-card_info. Perfect, let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period article-card_info. Open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, tap color, colon, then go to Google and type color picker in the search. Let me get the hex code for the red color. Let's pick this one. Always make sure to copy the hex code, including the hashtag. Then go back to the editor. Let's paste it right here. And don't forget to add the semicolon at the end. Once you add this rule, click on Save. Allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the blog page. And as you can see, the date and the author name are now red color under every article card. As always, I hope you found this video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please scan my channel. Thank you.